Hey snack lovers, welcome back. Today we'll be making the viral sensation Teddy Banana Pastry Bites. A fun little treat perfect for after school or weekend baking with your kids. Only a couple of ingredients for this fantastic taste. The ingredients we'll be using today is mini Teddy Graham Snacks, Lindt Excellence 90% Cocoa Dark Chocolate, Premium Pure Cane Light Brown Sugar, ground cinnamon, I can't believe it's not butter, it's vegan, original Pillsbury Crescent dough sheet, and a banana. Grab your store-bought pastry dough. This is where we'll be cutting into small little squares where we'll be adding the chocolate, banana, and teddy bears into. It's okay if it's a little messy. It's just a messy bed for our teddy bears. Now for the star of the show, our little Teddy Graham bear crackers. Oh, press into the banana and fold the pastry dough so that way it covers the teddy bear and ingredients. Use a fork to gently press down on the sides. Now, pop these in the oven for 10 to 13 minutes or until golden brown and puffy. Look at that, adorable Teddy Banana snacks your kids will devour. And you'll secretly love it too. If you try this, tag me so that way I can share your creations. Warriors, thank you so much for being a part of this channel and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like for future comments and future notifications. Until next time, Warriors, God bless.